How to create a group chat in Snapchat. Creating a group chat within Snapchat is a fairly simple task. In order to do this, we will just launch the Snapchat application and we will go to our chat page over here. To create a group chat, tap on this pencil or this circular icon from the bottom right of your Snapchat page. Once you're here, you'll find this option called New Group. It says you can add up to 200 friends within this group. So you can tap on this New Group option. You can just give it your group a name first of all. So tap on this group name and just type in the names like this. Now you can just choose the people that you want to add. So you can add a couple of people over here. So like AI or 1 or 2 friends like this. And once done, you can tap on the Chat with Group button and you'll be able to go ahead and then select a group chat with these people only by tapping on this chat button over here. So you can tap the Chat with Group button to be able to add it, and now our group chat has been successfully created with a certain amount of members. So this way you can create a new group chat on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.